30 to 45 minutes after every call. This technology, what it does, it sits on my calls, it records the calls, summarizes the calls, creates an action item list, so that I'm not really focused on the note taking. I'm really focused on the call. 30 to 45 minutes every call that I'm saved now because of this technology. And I say, and I've been saying this all month, if you're going to get software and you're going to get technology, it should be tied directly to revenue, or it should be tied to time savings, right? Money or time. And so this particular software is tied to my time, and it has saved me a lot of time. So like if you're ever on a call with me and you see, I need to give it a better name than Firefly AI, but it is my virtual note-taking assistant, and it has been pretty amazing. I love the way it summarizes the notes and does all of that. Reply yes to learn more.